Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. So what's cooking? Well, so we look at the NASDAQ here. We obviously had a lot of volatility on Thursday, which of course was my flying day. We always tell the premium members what days I'm flying on simply because the markets always go crazy when I fly and we have not figured out why yet. By the way, I got another flight next week. So on the Qs though, you can see we've got 3 tests here. And the more times you test, i.e. like right here, the greater the likelihood it's gonna fall through it. Like if there's no buyers, at some point it just kind of rolls over and dies. So I'm definitely cautious here. And we are seeing big stocks like Amazon take it on the chin. And we are seeing things like the transportation sector rolling over here. So I'm not too crazy about the long side. So what about Apple? Well, Apple has earnings here. You know, there's a lot of hype about the iPhone 8, but it's not out yet. And in general, what I've seen with earnings this quarter, with a handful of exceptions, is that you get expected moves to the downside of the range. You know, Microsoft had great earnings, but it kind of flopped the day of. And it's just, you know, it's kind of that seems to be the theme. So I don't think Apple's going to save the market. So this is I'm going to go through in the premium video and kind of set up some more trades. But I would just say that, I mean, for me and my experience with this kind of market, the key is to be patient. Okay, there's not any clear signals. If we look at a lot of the market here, you see situations like this where we had a squeeze. Okay, those are fantastic moments in time to have a concentrated directional position. Okay, but right now we've lost that momentum, and when you lose that momentum, you kind of go choppy to sideways. So if we spend a lot of time here betting on the long side, we could get chopped to death. But we could do some iron condors, we could sell some call credit spreads. So just because the squeeze is over doesn't mean it's time to get down and dirty bearish, but we've got to acknowledge that the gas behind the long engine has taken a pause. So tomorrow, first day of August, first day of a new month, we'll see if the hedge funds are adding in or laying off and go from there. All right, you guys have a good one. See you at the next update.